How to send snap from camera roll as normal snap without filter. First of all, head over to your application Snapchat. Tap on this icon at the bottom. Right here in the source bar, you need to search for upload. Different filters will be available to you. You can choose any one of it. Let me head over to the first one, tap on it. So right here, this filter will show the picture of your gallery. Tap on any of the picture that you want to send it as a snap. So let me select this picture. Once you have selected the snap, tap on this button. Now this snap looks like you have just taken it right now. You can also edit this snap with all the features right here. Let me just head over to this sticker icon. I want to add the time to the snap, so tap on this icon. You can adjust this time anywhere on the screen. Once you are done editing the snap, tap on next at the bottom right corner. You can send this snap to any person that you are connected on Snapchat and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to send snap from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.